Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are taking a closer look at Proton VPN, a name that's gained serious traction in the privacy community. But the big question is, should you stick with the free plan or upgrade to paid? Let's compare both, break down the pros and cons, and help you decide what's best for your needs. So, starting with Proton VPN free. Proton VPN's free plan is one of the free VPNs with no data limits. And yes, you heard that right. Unlimited bandwidth without paying a cent. You get access to servers in 3 countries, the US, Netherlands, and Japan. It supports a strong encryption, has a strict no-logs policy, and even comes from the same minds behind Proton Mail. You can stream some content but forget Netflix or high-speed connections during peak hours. Speeds can be throttled and the free plan doesn't support P2P or torrenting. Also, no access to advanced features like Secure Core, Net Shield, that is ad tracker or blocker, or Tor over VPN. Now let's slide over the Proton VPN paid plans. With the Plus or Unlimited tiers, you unlock hundreds of servers in over 65 countries, blazing fast 10 Gbps speeds, full support for P2P torrenting, and streaming on Netflix, Hulu, Amazon Prime, and more. You can also gain access to Secure Core, which routes your connection through multiple servers for extra privacy, and NetShield to block malware and ads. The Tor over VPN feature is great for accessing .onion sites securely, and you can connect up to 10 devices simultaneously, compared to just one on the free plan. So what's the catch? Well, the paid plans aren't the cheapest. Proton puts privacy first, so don't expect flashy discounts like some competitors. That said, you're paying for the real security. No ads, no selling data, and 100% Swiss-based privacy laws. Here's the breakdown. The free plan pros include truly free with no data limits, solid encryption and no logs policy, decent speeds for light browsing, and great entry point for privacy beginners. Now the free plan has some cons too, and these are limited servers and countries, no torrenting or streaming support, slower during peak hours, and only one device connection. Now, the paid plan pros include global server access, high-speed streaming and torrenting, Secure Core, NetShield, and Tor over VPN, and up to 10 devices reliable performance. Now some cons for paid plans include higher price point, no phone support, only email and ticket based, and advanced features might be overkill for casual users. Now coming down to our final verdict, if you're just browsing and want basic privacy without the cost, Proton VPN free is one of the best out there. But if you are serious about streaming, downloading, and comprehensive online privacy, the paid version is worth every cent. That's it for today's breakdown, and if this video helped you out, be sure to like and subscribe for more straight up tech comparisons. I'll see you in the next video.